He's braking in a straight corner. A straight corner. What did I say that for? He's braking while going into the corner. Nah, shut up. He did what he had to do. Did what he had to do. So he's going too fast, and what he did was straighten up his bike and apply the brakes when he couldn't make it. That's the difference between dumping it right when the gravel starts or going into the freaking radio tower. So that's right there, dumping the bike here versus going super fast into this right here. If those are the two options you have, take this one. But how do you prevent having to do this option or going into the here? Slow look, press, and roll. Part of what I'm trying to tell you is not how do you get yourself out of this. I'm trying to tell you how to prevent it in the first place. That is the absolute best case scenario in his scenario. Hopefully in your scenario, you're not. So grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure, a lot better than some of the other competitors. So make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link.